Happy Friday! I hope you guys really enjoyed the investigation that we just did. I'm going to go over the data table, so if you haven't filled out your own answers, make sure to go ahead and do that now. So if you look at the prey, which is the different colored beans, those were the prey, that's what was being hunted. Think about what you were thinking about when you were reading, when we entered those questions that you didn't have to fill out throughout the text. I really want you to think about those predictions. Did you think if we put a whole bunch of beans in grass and they were black, white, and green, which ones do you think would blend in? Probably the green ones. You're right? Because green and grass is green, so it would probably be difficult to find those beans. And then which ones do you think would stand out like tremendously? Well, probably white, right? Because with grass, you have soil, and soil's black. So green and black, those would probably be similar. They'd probably get hidden. They'd probably blend in. But those white beans, right? Those white beans would really, really stand out. And then when we look at our data table, and that's exactly what we saw. There was, let's see here. There were 6 black beans, 36 white beans that were captured, and 11 green beans. So I would have thought that green would have had the lowest number. In this one instance, black was the lowest number, but we thought that they'd probably be pretty similar. Now, usually we would do this 3 or more times, right? So in the classroom, we would have all broken into groups, just like we usually do our investigations, and then we would have gathered all of our data together. And usually every year when we combine all of our data, then the green ones were captured the least, then the black ones, and then the white ones. Always, though, they stand out really, really big. Okay, so next we're gonna look at our predators. So this is who was doing the hunting. So this was the knife, the fork, and the spoon. When we look at the total of these numbers, the knife only caught 8 beans. That's it. Out of all 3 colors, there were only 8 beans that the knife caught. So think about the way that a knife is made. Would it be really easy to kind of pick a bean up? Definitely not. So hopefully that was in your prediction. And then a spoon won. A spoon had 33 and a fork had 12. So a spoon won by a tremendous amount. And just thinking about that, right, that kind of makes sense. It's easy to scoop. A spoon is used for scooping. So I just wanted to kind of go over that data with you. If you have any questions about that, definitely reach out and let me know. But this was kind of showing 2 things, showing how prey can easily blend into their environment or how they can stand out. So if I was a bean, right, I wouldn't want to get eaten, so I would definitely want to have an adaptation of being green or black. If you were white, then you'd probably get eaten, right? And that wouldn't be good. If I was a predator, I want to eat. I don't want to go hungry, so I would definitely prefer to be a spoon rather than a knife, right? So think about those knives. They probably are going to die off a lot faster. All right, have a great day. Make sure to answer your questions.